Claude Code has both made me and saved me hundreds of thousands of dollars, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. So I run a content agency and we produce videos for founders and brands doing 7 and 8 figures. And over the last few months, one tool has 5x'd my output across marketing, sales, operations, and content production. And that tool is Claude Code. Now, what makes Claude Code different from ChatGPT or anything else that you've used? It's agentic. It doesn't just answer your questions, it reads your files, it writes your documents, it executes complex workflows and builds entire systems. You give it a process, it runs the process, and it's just a completely different game. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a Claude content marketing system. So I took the exact content systems that we run for our clients at my agency, and I turned them into 6 skills that anyone can install. You set them up and Claude Code becomes a full content machine. It learns your voice, studies creators you admire, and produces content you would actually post. But there's one caveat. If you're not willing to spend the time to set this up properly and to give it the context, it won't work for you. But if you invest the time and master the tool, it becomes one of the most valuable assets in your business. So let's get started. Let me show you how it works. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to install Claude Code. It takes 5 minutes, super quick. And I'm going to put a link to this GitHub in the description below. First thing to do is to go to here, beginner's guide, especially if you've never set anything up before. So you've never used Claude Code before. This is going to walk you through everything from scratch. So first install VS Code. I've already got it installed here, but just install it, run it on your Mac, and yep. And basically you'll get this. So once you have Visual Code Studio, next thing you do, you're going to follow the guide. The next thing you do is you open this tab and you search extensions and you search in Claude Code. And then you'll see this Claude Code for VS Code. You click this, install. Okay, once it's installed, basically you'll see this little Claude item here. And you should open a folder. For me, I got a Claude Code folder. I'm going to open this. Now when you open a folder, it will look like this. You can open new tabs by just clicking here. And these are just new tabs of Claude Code. New chats. Next thing you do, authenticate it. For me, in this case, it's already authenticated. That's why. But basically, you'll see something that shows up here. And all you do is click and you log into your Claude Code. So there's 2 ways to do it. A is basically a Claude subscription. If you don't have a Claude subscription, you should 100% get one now. Don't even ask if it's worth it. Just go and pay that $20. It's 100% worth it. So log in and you'll just sign in and then you just open up this page. And you might have to just quit, but yeah. Or option B is you use an API key. So next thing to do, once Claude Code is set up, here's the magic. Claude Code can do everything for you. It has access to your computer. It has access to your folders. It can help you to just download stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell Claude Code to go and download this. So, hey Claude, can you help me install these skills? And now it's just going to go and install the skills. So here's just the magic. It's just going to keep working. And whenever you get something like this, you just click this. I always click number 2. There's a way to actually just remove that and it will auto accept. But for now, just click everything manually. Boom, that's it. So it's now installed the skills. Now you have 6 skills that are available in your Claude Code. Content foundation, creator analysis, short form scripts, YouTube scripts, LinkedIn writers, and a content repurposing tool. Cool. So now check out example outputs. Okay, ready to start. Let's try it. Let's double check it's installed properly. So if you click / content foundation, yeah, it's there. So if by any chance, when you install it, when you did this process here, it does not show up. When you click / you open a new chat and you click / content foundation, this does not show up. All you need to do is just tell Claude, hey Claude, I don't see it. I don't see the skills. It's not working. Help me out. And Claude will literally troubleshoot and fix your computer for you. You know, it's going to fix the files and everything. So you don't even need to worry about that. So once you're in here, you should just first thing you should do is do the content foundation. The next thing you should do is the creator analysis. So content foundation, you just click that. And here's exactly what's going to happen. It's going to basically start loading the skills and then it's going to ask you questions. Okay, it's going to ask you 15 questions across 6 topics. So now this whole process, what it's going to do is it's going to ask you about your name. It's going to ask you about what you do. It needs all this information so that it has context so that it can actually write good content for you. If you've already tried to write content with ChatGPT or with Claude, you've tried to use it to generate new short form scripts, YouTube scripts, and you realize like the scripts are trash. The reason why it's trash is not because of Claude or ChatGPT or whatever. Maybe because ChatGPT is ass, but you know, it's because you did not give it context. Context is the most important thing that you need to give to Claude so that it understands who you are, it understands what you should be saying, who's your target audience, and everything that's needed. Everything else, I've already put it into this skill in terms of the strategies, the hooks, the hook foundations, how to structure the scripts, how to structure short form scripts, how to structure long form scripts. Everything's already preloaded inside. So all you need to do is you need to actually take the effort to fill this out in a lot of depth. What I would suggest you to do is to go download something like Whisperflow, or you can just use if you're on Apple, you can just use Diction, enable Diction. And Diction will essentially just help you to turn your voice into text. As you can see what's happening on the screen. My name is Ben. I help business owners and founders to build amazing personal brands that help them to generate inbound leads. The reason why I say to use Whisperflow is because Whisperflow is more accurate. So once you're done with that, go over to creator analysis and throw in 3 creators and throw in the exact links I would suggest you put in the exact links of YouTube videos or Instagram videos that you really love and you really like. And this will allow Claude to understand that, and it will incorporate that into the scripts that it creates for you. After you're done with that, you should go and do, let's say you're creating short form scripts. Then you click this and you type in short form scripts. Now you let it load and it's going to tell you what to do next. It's actually asking to check if you have existing content strategy files. And it's not going to find it because we have not done the content foundation yet. See, no existing content strategy found. Don't use the other skills until you've done the content foundation. Once you've done the content foundation and you've done the creator analysis, all these skills become very tailored for you. Awesome. So everything that I showed you is free, it's open source. The GitHub link is in the description. It takes 5 minutes to set up. And I've also linked the beginner's guide there. I mean, it's inside the GitHub. And if you've never used Claude Code, walk through it, set it up, follow the video, get ready to be mind blown. Now, if you're a business owner, you're too busy to set this up, you want us to do it for you, and you basically want the premium version, fully tailored to your brands, your workflow, and a team producing your content, that's exactly what my agency, TrueFrame, does. The link's in the description if you want to work together. Subscribe if this was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.